Prophet Ibrahim AS and the call to Tawheed, oneness of God. How does Prophet Ibrahim's story relate to Hajj? B. Hajj commemorates the events of his life. Who was Prophet Ibrahim's father? B. Azar. How does the Quran describe Hazrat Ibrahim's ﷺ faith? B. As unwavering. How did Allah save Hazrat Ibrahim ﷺ from the fire? C. Allah made the fire cool and safe. What was Prophet Ibrahim's response when he was asked to worship the idols of his people? A. He ignored them. What lesson can we learn from Prophet Ibrahim's trust in Allah when leaving Hazrat Hajar and Hazrat Ishmael in the desert? A. Trust in Allah's plan. What did Prophet Ibrahim call his people to in terms of belief? C. Belief in one God, Tawheed. Where did Prophet Ibrahim leave Hazrat Hajar and Hazrat Ishmael by Allah's command? C. In Makkah. What did Allah provide in place of Hazrat Ishmael during the sacrifice? B. A ram. What did Prophet Ibrahim see in a dream regarding his son? C. A command to sacrifice his son. What does the Quran say about Prophet Ibrahim's status among the prophets? C. He is a model for humanity. How did the people of Ibrahim a.s. try to punish him for breaking their idols? C. By throwing him into a fire. What was Prophet Ibrahim's a.s. mission? C. To call people to worship the one true God. Which son of Prophet Ibrahim a.s. was he commanded to sacrifice? A. Ishmael a.s. Who was Prophet Ibrahim's a.s. second wife? Hazrat Hajar. What dua, supplication, did Prophet Ibrahim a.s. and Ishmael a.s. make while building the Kaaba? B. Our Lord, accept this from us. Who were the sons of Prophet Ibrahim a.s.? A. Ishmael and Ishaq. What is Prophet Ibrahim's a.s. title in Islam? C. Khalilullah, friend of Allah. What did Prophet Ibrahim a.s. do to prove to his people that idols couldn't help or harm? B. He destroyed the idols and left the axe with the biggest one. Which idol did Prophet Ibrahim a.s. destroy in his community's temple? C. All except the largest one. What was the test of faith that Prophet Ibrahim a.s. faced with his people? C. He was thrown into a fire for rejecting idols. Which city was Prophet Ibrahim a.s. originally from? A. Ur. What did Prophet Ibrahim a.s. ask Allah for regarding his descendants? C. For them to be righteous. What miracle happened when Hazrat Hajar searched for water for Hazrat Ishmael? B. The Zamzam well gushed forth.